guys, I'm gonna make a separate video of my DIY car frame puller. So I've been hammering the trunk of my car, but you know, you can only hammer so much. And the other day my whole body was aching, and I think I came at the point that I need help with a frame puller, but I don't have access. So I went to Amazon and purchased this. This is a 3/4 ton chain hoist, and when you buy this, make sure you have spare chain or something like this. I realized I remember I have this toe strap from my expedition, so it can handle it. And while you put pressure on the frame, you hammer whatever you need to hammer so it doesn't go back. Okay, and also I put a steel beam so to grab onto, so it doesn't grab on the frame, otherwise it's gonna ruin it. Okay, so this is my setup. It's tight, it has pressure, and then I'm hammering it so it doesn't go back in its place. So I'm hammering it out. I need at least half an inch for the trunk lid to fit better. It's closing, but I need it to fit better so water doesn't get inside or smoke doesn't go inside. But I'm sure it's not gonna be perfect, but what can you do? I'm doing this at home in my front yard. Okay, so this is my I'll also make sure that your tree can handle the weight, okay, that you're gonna put it. I was disappointed. I went to Harbor Freight the other day. Their hoist is double the price when you can get it cheaper on Amazon. So I ordered from Amazon. This was delivered late, supposed to be yesterday. So now I have the time, I think. So initially this was straight. Now I went out a little bit. Okay, and I think this is not straight, it needs to go out, but there's nothing to hold on to this side, otherwise you're gonna rip it if you put the hook here on the edges here. But I am confident that this is closing better than yesterday. It's closing, but there's a big gap underneath, and yeah, there's a gap here. It's not flushed, and rain is expected this week. So hopefully what I did today is enough. I'm gonna close it up, and then I'm gonna make a separate video. So just want to make a video of my DIY frame puller. So I repeat, this is a 3/4 ton hoist. Maybe you can get away with a half ton, just to be sure. Okay, 3/4 ton to pull the frame out, and it did pull the frame out. See the curvature, it went out. I just have to figure out how to pull the sides here and there, because there's nothing to grab onto. Or I can just hammer it, I don't know. So here you go, guys, my DIY frame puller. So I'm gonna take that off before it rains and then put this back on. So if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.